time. Fuck you to the haters, fucking pussy ass flaggers. Get out the Daily Boys, cheers to the comment brother, cheers for watching on the TV. Get the Darbinos, AK ready, vote 420, bring to the liquor, bring TV. Well, I can't really play music as it fucking explained. No BT fucking phone out here, so it's not very good. You know, so I can't actually play music. I ain't got internet in a minute. Well, I have, but it's a shit signal. But the fact is, my internet will be back sooner or later, brothers. Tuesday, I definitely will be back my lad. But let's say they came ready, create a new channel. That's what happened to me. I got flagged by the little wrong'uns, right? I got flagged, but I just created a new channel. To make people see it, you just create the channel first, and then do a video and put the link in that video what you done. Link to the channel. And then all the little fucking faggots will come back subscribing to it. And then go live, my brother. Then don't put any TMO2's crap on there, mate, but because they'll just flag you anyway, but you know what I mean. Wow. But it said UK drinkers for the win. Wolfenstein, I got a new game, that's quite good. I'm stuck on it at the minute, but I'll play later. I'll probably watch episodes of Family Guy soon. You know what I mean? I would have went live, but I ain't got no fucking beer to go off with. You know. I don't make lies when I don't have to make it look make me look stupid. You know what I mean? I like to have a drink on my life when I do live, you know what it is. It would nice to see some UK Twitters go live, but the fact if the UK Twitters they don't want to go live, it's up to them, innit? But me and AK better use something called like StreamYard, David boy, or anybody from UK Twitters. You just go and Google Chrome, type in StreamYard, and you click on it. Then you put your YouTube channel in, then it's done. And went away. My signal absolutely fucking sucks for a live now, it would. Especially if I only get one bar signal, so it's not really going to be good for me. Nice bacon for me tonight, my lads. Lovely bacon, can't beat it. I'm gonna look forward to watching Sam guys at season. But let's say Tim Aldridge, pussy boy. And I got nothing to say to you, zombie killer. Whoever you fucking call yourself. You say we flag videos. Do we flag videos? I don't flag. Why do I need to flag videos? I'm not a coward like your side, boy, bum boy. You don't need to flag. Don't need to flag. We come up, mate, and say I've put a point, not press a little tape in the YouTube. I need your help, YouTube, because I'm getting abused on YouTube. I need to take up the keyboard and make a complaint. Pussy. Oh, pussy boy. Yeah, I'm in the rain there. People, I don't give a shit. It's only a bit of rain for me. I don't give a shit. It's only a bit of rain. This will last video for a couple of days, like I said. But the fact is, I've still been watching people with servers, patched up, whatever. You know what I mean? Everything they see works for 20 actually do a live, but he won't do a live. Yeah. You know, we need to bring cCO 20 on the board. I'll tell you what, if I can tell the motherfucker. Share the cCO 20. Share you, my lad. Let's see cCO 20. You're always welcome to come to Woods Beach, brother. You're always here. You're always welcome, brother. Like I said, cCO 20. You're always welcome over here, brother. And then we can have a couple of beers and whatever. You know what I mean? And then go do a video. It'd be epic. Yeah, it's fucking stuff. It's sort of bitter right here, but it's not too bad, I suppose. But it is pissing it down the rain. People, like I said, your UK chairman loves to do a rain video. Doing the video in the rain, my lad. Do it for the UK drinkers. I don't give a shit if I get wet or not. You know what I'm saying? I'll still do the video. Well, this don't get really wet though, this material, because it's waterproof, sort of. That's why I like this hoodie, because it don't get actually wet, does it? Yep, me doing this video, people. Well, like I said, UK drinkers for the win. We're never gonna die. We're gonna keep on fucking representing for our good community. And all you little motherfuckers just sit there and flag and keep typing in little words on the little keyboard. Ain't got the balls to show the face. Ain't got the balls to let you hear the voice. Share the ROM. Get them exposed to them people. I'll tell you that now. Share it to Binky. Yeah, share it to Binky. I haven't shared that Binky for a long time. I like to know where Binky is these days because you know, me and Binky, they fell out because of bullshit. You know what I'm saying? And all these people like Tim Odris and all these little wank stains had to pick on her so much, mate, she just decided to leave. You know what I'm saying? But she's a good person, mate. I used to like her videos, you know what I mean? People have to ruin it for people, but they ain't going to ruin it for the UK Twitters, mate, because we've got fucking thick skin. We're never, ever, ever going to let these motherfuckers win. Ooh, wow. What you going to do, punk ass little haters? What you going to do? Shake the Vic. Gert, whatever your name is, Vic. Shake, you look happy today with your boyfriend and all that stuff, you know, mate. Shake, you, hope you well. Well, like I said, this is my video, people, because I just pissing down the rain now. I need to get in. Remote fucking liquor. Have a great day, people. As you can see, it's pissing down, my lads. Yeah, it's pissing down the rain. Remote fucking liquor.